My name is Shraddha Sandesh Naik and I secured second rank in my school. I am very proud to secure this rank and I would like to dedicate this success to my parents who always supported me through this journey. And I would like to thank all my teachers for their help and support.
What is your ambition?
My ambition is to become a doctor. I scored 93.93% in my exams and I am proud of it, and all my teachers and parents are also happy. So I would like to give the credit to my parents and teachers. They have sacrificed their nights and their sleeps for my score, and yeah, I would like to be a doctor in my future. And for that I will take science stream and then I will answer the NEET exam.
I would like to thank my management first of all, Honorable Chairman Sir, who is also a Minister for WRD, who makes a point to be there with us all the time during our staff meet. Wherever we fall short, our Sir is always available for us. And along with him, of course, his beloved son Sir Sachin and Dr. Gauri also makes a point to be there for my staff meet. And that's how we could produce some scholars in our school. I also would like to thank all my teachers, especially the class teachers. I've got my class teachers, Shashank Joshi and teacher Richa Joshi, and all the SSC subject teachers. I have seen them the way they have worked to groom these children. Sometimes, late evening at 5:30, they used to sit on the floor, they used to revise, and the weaker students, they used to sit, catch the hand and train them. I also would like to thank all my parents. Actually, they are always behind us. Whenever we ask anything for them, they always support us. They come to school, they tell us the strategies are being devised, and then it's a collective effort. And as
What is today's program?
Today we would like to felicitate the toppers of the school from the hands of Honorable Chairman Sir, and so that they feel proud. It is said in Konkani, Vavradak Mozuri Power. And जेन्ना तांकां आमी एक असो फाटीर तांचो हात मारतले, आय एम शुअर आमच्या मॅनेजमेंटाचो हात, म्हजो हात, म्हज्या टिचरांचो हात, पेरंट्साचो हात तांचेर आसतलो, एक आशिर्वाद तांचेर आसतलो, आनी ते फुडाराक जें तांकां करूंक जाय, खंयच्याय कॉर्नराक ती आसूं, ती पोरजळटली.
टॉप 7 टॉपर्स आसा SSC बोर्ड एग्जामीचे, तेंचे आज फेलिसिटेशन आमी केलां आनी खूब खुशी जाता की आमच्या भुरग्यांनी दर वर्सा प्रमाणे ह्या वर्साय बी बऱ्यांतलो बरो असो रिपोर्ट आमकां रिजल्ट आमकां दिल्लो आसा स्कुलाक. ओवरऑल स्कुलाचो रिजल्ट 94.5% लागला आनी जे टॉपर आसा बाय श्रिया संदेश नायक, हेका 92.7% मेळ्ळा. तेज्या बरोबर तेजी जी भयण आसा, ट्वीन सिस्टर बाय श्रद्धा, हेका 91.2% मेळ्ळा. सो आय फील दॅट इट इज अ व्हेरी प्राऊड मोमेंट फॉर us, the Shirodkars, and the family, Naik family, Sandesh Naik and his family, for both the sisters, both the daughters have got top percentage in the school. तेज्या फाटल्यान मागीर बाय सान्वी खोलकर हे 86%चेर थर्ड नंबराचेर आसा. आमच्या गोवा बोर्डान एक नवीन फाटल्या थोड्या वर्सांनी स्किमे काडली की CWSN, इन्क्लुझीव एज्युकेशन, जे भुरग्यांक थोडे स्पेशल नीड्स आसता इन टर्म्स ऑफ लर्निंग, आनी अशे कॅटेगरीन आमचे 2 भुरगे आसा जेंकां डिस्टिंक्शन मेळिल्लें आसा ह्या वर्सा. It is the efforts of the students, the parents and our teachers who have got us this result today. I would like to congratulate each and every one, all the students who have cleared with flying colors, to the entire team of Symbiosis for putting all the efforts throughout the year, not just for 1 year but right from when they joined the school. And today we are here to celebrate our students, their parents and the efforts that they have put forward.